Oh, and Roxy, for what it's worth, I'm sorry.
I know. Ouch!
Hmm. And you never picked up anything?
To be honest, Pops, I was thinking that it was mood swings due to the pregnancy. But to be honest, she sounded a little off. She sounded distant.
She's like her mother, loyal, hard workers, not good with pressure.
So that's why you kept her at a desk.
But just feel different about him now.
Like, you wanna love him again?
I'm not even sure. I still feel something, but not like before.
Oh, I call him more often now.
Yes, sir. And he might tell me how much he miss me. But he might avoid the real question.
But Tiffany,
The man avoid the question like the plague.
you have to Simon to like him ask you. Go down and take your time, man. You know, say look like him not sure still. That's what I'm saying.
If he never get involved with her, he would have fear wonder.
That's a truth still. So Florida in the straight now. Not up on the ship again.
Him claim to say him do 2 months on the ship and 2 months at the restaurant.
Which restaurant?
The restaurant where him be a mother live. In Florida.
See, hold on then. Look like something with the way now. You sure send it, mother?
What you wanna tell me? Now you want him to have big conversation. Now you want him to talk.
Yeah, man talk, but me never talk about no baby and everything.
Whisper. If me see picture with she pregnant in her phone, I'ma ask him and him a deny it. What you expect me to think? I know him not give me an answer. You know?
Well, you make a foul play. Can't lie about that.
Mm-hmm. Cause him gone over there to him hen and him chicken.
So, T, you gonna tell her when I'm forward?
Nope. And me not care. My life not tied to him no more.
No, you can't fight upon that, you know. You have to live your life, you know, yeah, T.
And that me I do.
For real.
Very married, man.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I think so.
Did you assign a shadow to her?
Of course. Me not trust the ESS.
I tend to agree with you. If they think she's compromised, unlikely to spill secrets,
They might go after her.
hmm, who's her shadow?
Someone who has been off the grid for over 4 years.
The original stinger. I figured.
How you know?
Well, I know that he's one of the operatives you have full access to. And the history is deep.
True. Remember my first serious run-in with him.
We need to talk.
After that, he became my most loyal field operative.
I know. I remember the Port Royal operation.
Hey, Pops, That was a serious adrenaline rush, you know.
Gentlemen, 3 of the 4 individuals is on our most wanted list. The 4th individual has been charged for some minor kidnappings, but he's linked to a contractor.
You have any information for the mom or not?
Treat them as such.
What is that? Police! No man, no move, no.
You know, say them are gonna move.
No move, no.
I threw you out the gun. I threw you out the gun. We can do without it. We can do without it.
Those were the in the field days.
Yeah? You guys took out an entire chopper organization?
See, you know I'm for ask you. Do you ever buck up reds anywhere at all?
No, sir. I never know if I'm alive or I'm deceased.
Yeah, the man just disappear off of the whole earth star. Me don't know if it. I wonder if him there fight.
Foreign? After red's not foreign, buddy.
What I do man son? What do you mean by the man not find body? Suppose the man find a hot girl and she file feet.
Hey, God go with her. Because I use the same file and beat her.
You don't move so tough. Yeah, see. You don't miss nothing at all about him.
If me did love the beating and the insults, me don't miss everything about him.
Hey, you remember the first time when Bossy linked me to make you do training?
Oh, me forget. Me did giddy when me see her, you know. I saw you walk come in with your robot walk and your bow legs.